macaroon. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I took this T-part unit from BeautyForever hair. If you guys do remember, I reviewed it about a week ago, so I just needed to revamp her and restyle her because I feel like I didn't do her justice. So to start off, I am gonna use some heat protectant spray, straight silk spray, and then I am using this crimp iron I got from Amazon. It has adjustable crimps and you can adjust it to your liking. For today's video, I did use the deepest crimp. So here you guys see me spraying the heat protectant spray on it. And then for the hairspray that I use for crimps, I use the bed head because it's not as harsh as a hold. It still hold, but it don't make it like crunchy. So you do want to start off by splitting your hair into 3 sections. So I start by splitting like the crown area off, and then I go under that and make another section, like kind of like, you know, where the nape and the ear are, like right there, making another section. And we're going to start off with the bottom section and just work our way up, and we're going to go from there. So make sure you have everything clipped out the way because we're getting ready to crimp these waves. So start off, I take a section that's maybe like about 1 inch long, and I comb through it with a rat tail comb, get all the kinks out. Then I spray it with the bed head, and then I go back in with the comb. Make sure there is no kinks. You want this hair as straight as possible. So you take the crimp iron and you crimp it like as far up to the top, to the root as you can get it. And then once you have it gripped, you'll want to take the hair and hold it up. Holding it up, make sure that that third crimp has like that up pattern. And then from there, you just want to kind of go to the next crimp and hold it up and go to the next crimp. And it's just really repetitive like that. So that's all you guys are doing. I am holding the crimp for about 5 to 7 seconds here. As you guys can see, it doesn't really matter where you crimp it. It's going to be crimped regardless. So you don't need to like be perfect with it or whatever. Unless you are like a perfect freak, like you really don't need to. But yeah, so I hold it for 5 to 7 seconds per each crimp. Hold it, and then you just work your way to the end of the hair. Make sure you do the very ends, otherwise it'll look straight if the ends are, it'll look weird if the ends are straight and the hair is crimped. So make sure you kind of like are getting like as close to the bottom as you possibly can. So as you guys can see, this is a completed strand. These waves are like so gorgeous. Waves on Swim, honey. Are y'all seeing that? Like, oh my God, like this, that was just one strand. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, just repeat everything. So you comb the hair out, spray the hair with hairspray, comb it again, and then get as close to the root as you can. Crimp that thing like so, and hold the hair upwards. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it run like that because girl, that's really all you do. You just take your time going through the sections, and then you go through the upper sections that you created until you're at the top and you are complete. So I'm gonna come back here in a minute and we're gonna talk about how easy it was to install this unit, y'all. So we're back. I did want to point out here, this is like about 3/4 of the unit done. Like I said, I did have it in 3 sections, but towards the top, I noticed that you will need smaller sections just to get, you know, as close to that part as possible. So divide that top section into 2 and you'll be all good. I just wanted to notate that, you know, in case you guys were wondering why I'm doing that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So go ahead and complete the look. You guys will end up with crimps from head to toe. And as you guys can see, these waves are beautiful. Oh my God, this looks like a Spanish wave or something. And like I said, this is the deepest crimp that the wave iron offers. So these are the deep crimps, you guys, and they are like just so bomb. And like when I use that bedhead head spray, it makes the waves so soft and not like crispy. So I love the bed head for this especially. So yes, y'all, make sure you spray her down with hairspray for extra added hold. Yeah, so these waves, they will stay for about maybe like I want to say about a week, especially if you do it like how I did it. And it will get to the point where you can actually comb them through, and they'll be a softer wave. They won't be as defined, but it's still a look, okay? It is still a look. So since this is a middle part, I did have to kind of tame that part a little bit to make it go where it needs to go, just so that it can be easier for me to install and just go ahead and just throw her on. So that's what you guys see me doing, making sure that every hair is where it's supposed to be and just laying how I need it to be. So here we are throwing this bad boy on. As y'all can see, I literally just threw her on and she was just like, done, okay? Like, really, that's all you had to do. So I went ahead and, you know, adjusted her and everything. Like I said, this hair is from BeautyForever hair. This is 24 inches T-part lace unit wig, you guys. I'll leave the link down below, and I think I got a discount code too, so yeah, check that out. But as y'all can see, these waves are beautiful, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this super simple, quick and easy crimp. Also, let me know if you guys want to see the different levels of crimpiness that they offer or whatever. And that wraps it up for this video. As always, thanks for watching.